Today we're diving into some delicious black rice vegan recipes that are not only flavorful but also perfect for supporting weight loss on a plant-based diet. Number 1. Black rice salad with mango and avocado. Start by cooking black rice according to package instructions. Once cooked, let it cool to room temperature. In a large bowl, combine the cooked black rice with diced mango, diced avocado, chopped cilantro, diced red onion, and a squeeze of fresh lime juice. Season with salt and pepper to taste and toss everything together until well combined. This refreshing and colorful salad is packed with fiber, vitamins, and minerals, making it a perfect option for a light and nutritious supper. Number 2. Black rice stir-fry with tofu and vegetables. Heat sesame oil in a large skillet or wok over medium heat. Add cubed tofu and cook until golden brown on all sides. Remove the tofu from the skillet and set it aside. In the same skillet, add chopped vegetables like bell peppers, broccoli, carrots, and snap peas. Stir fry until the vegetables are tender crisp. Add cooked black rice to the skillet along with the cooked tofu. Drizzle with soy sauce and a splash of rice vinegar and toss everything together until well combined. Garnish with sliced green onions and sesame seeds for added flavor and texture. This colorful and flavorful stir-fry is a satisfying and nutritious supper option that's sure to please your taste buds. Number 3. Black rice Buddha bowl with roasted vegetables. Preheat your oven to 400 degrees 200 C. Toss your favorite vegetables like sweet potatoes, Brussels sprouts, and cauliflower florets with olive oil, salt, and pepper. Spread them out on a baking sheet and roast in the oven until golden brown and tender. Meanwhile, cook black rice according to package instructions. Once cooked, divide the black rice among serving bowls. Top with the roasted vegetables along with sliced avocado, shredded red cabbage, and a sprinkle of hemp seeds or pumpkin seeds. Drizzle with your favorite dressing or sauce such as tahini or a tangy vinaigrette, and garnish with fresh herbs like cilantro or parsley. This nourishing and satisfying Buddha bowl is packed with fiber, vitamins, and antioxidants, making it a perfect plant-based supper option for weight loss and overall health. Incorporate these delicious black rice vegan recipes into your meal rotation to enjoy flavorful and nutritious suppers that support your weight loss goals while satisfying your taste buds and nourishing your body.